Well, welcome back to Auto Salvage Outlaws. Well, got it cut out and welded in. Now we're marking up this today and gonna get that welded in. I just got the tape up there to hold it, to mark everything up. Had to overlook the mess when you work on one. And then we'll come back over here, and then we'll do the same thing over here since I've already filled it in over here. And so I'm gonna put a plate in there, grind this back down, and then we'll weld that in. And then that'll be done. And then we'll start back primering, put another couple of coats of primer and sealer on the firewall. Go ahead and tape it up, get ready, go ahead and spray some paint on it probably next week. And then we'll get in here and finish the dash. And then in the inside, sanding the top. And then get ready to put some paint there. And then on the door jam, still got to do some sanding and priming on the door steps. But it just takes time. So, thought I'd give y'all an update to see what y'all think.